Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. I'm independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today is simple stamping and paper crafts. So today I decided to do a little notepad. It's a sticky notepad, and I thought I'd do this because this is a great one for beginners, and also it's really nice for like a craft show, or if you just want to give for a really cute little gift. And it's got a little sticky notepad, and the thing about this, they're super inexpensive. This one I did a little bit different because I realized when I made these for myself before and I stuck it in my purse, I had to like pull the belly band off and then keep the belly band aside, and so I decided just to make a different closure, and I attached it right to the back. So all you have to do is use the little magnets and you can keep it all together, and I really like that about this, and it's super simple to do. And I got these little sticky notes, and I love these because they have like little pencil on here, and I got these from the dollar store, so they were $1. And we're going to use this one today, but look at the little heart on here. And then I got another one in blue, and it's got a little ice cream cone on it. These are so cute, and it makes a great gift. So if you want to get these, you need to get to the Dollar Tree, because this is in the school supplies, and they don't, this is the first time I've seen these with the little writing on it. So this is what we're going to make today, and we're using our 6x6 designer series paper that coordinates with all our color families. So we have them in the neutrals, brights, subtles, regals, and in our in colors. So this is what we're using. This one I did in grapefruit, in Gorgeous Grape. I was going to say Grapefruit Grove, but it's Gorgeous Grape. And I'm using also the Butterfly Gala, and we're just using the little butterfly, so you do need the bundle to punch out the butterfly, or you can put whatever you like on it. I love this butterfly, and it's flat, so it stays flat in your purse or wherever you're gonna use it, and it's very quick and easy. And the sentiment is also from here. It just says a little note, so it worked out perfect. So let's grab this one out of here. And I always take off these back pieces right here, and it's sticky right here at the top. So I just add a little adhesive to there when I'm adding it, and I'll show you how I do that in just a minute. Alright, so for this little notepad, you are going to need a piece that's 3 1/4 by 7. And then to mat it, you'll need a piece of the designer series paper that is 3 by 3. And this is what it comes like. So there's, I always want to say there's 4 different patterns. I think there's 4 patterns because there's 2 on each side. Let me see, because I have all of these blue right here. So it comes in this pattern here, and then the opposite pattern, we're using that writing on there. And then it comes in this little gingham and that. So there's 4 different designs and 4 of each one. And then you'll need some scrap Whisper White. Alright, so let's get started with this. I'll just score it. You're going to see how quick and easy they are to make, and they're really fun to give as little gifts. These are really cute for coworkers too. So we're scoring this on the 7-inch side at 3 1/4, and then we're scoring it at 3 3/4. That is it. That is all you're scoring. Alright, so we are going to sharpen these score marks, and we're already ready. You can round the corners now. I do it sometimes after because it's easy to do. So I'm just using a little corner rounder to round those, and we're going to go ahead and put our pad in here. I use sticky strip on this because it will hold it for a long time. But I'm going to just go ahead and use some Fast Fuse, which we don't carry this anymore. It is no longer available, but I still have some left, and I've had that question before where they can get it. And So it's no longer available, but you can use wet glue as well for this, but make sure you don't go over that line there, and make sure you have it even on both sides. And then we're just going to set that down, and it's going to hold it in place just like that. All right, so I'm going to round the bottom corners of this so that it matches the rounded corners on here. We're going to add that. And we're going to put that on there. And I did forget to cut my piece of that I need for my belly band. So it is a 1-inch piece. So it's 1 inch by 8.5. So if you have an 8.5 piece, just cut that 1 inch off of it, because our regular cardstock is 8.5 by 11. All right, so we are going to want to score this. So I'm going to score this at 2. And I'm hoping that this measures out right, because in 2.5, because I did it free-handed before. 5 3/4 and 6 1/4. So I'm hoping that this is going to fit perfectly around. If not, I may need to cut another piece, and we'll figure it out. I think this should be just right. Yep, it works perfect. All right, so let's put adhesive right here. I'm going to go ahead and use some wet glue. I love this color too. So you can put it, you know, if you want it up further, if you want it, just put it wherever you like it. And then I want to make sure this is straight. So that's one thing about having the wet glue. You can line this up really good. And there we go. I think we're good right there. So I'm going to just press it down really good. And then I am going to grab these little magnets, and these are basic gray small magnets. You can get them off Amazon. So we're going to get a positive and a negative, and we're going to make our little closure. And it's self-sticking, so you just need to remove the little back here. I always have a hard time with my nails getting this off. And then make sure these are lined up before you hook them together. I'm going to put one right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just attach that right there. And then we're just going to remove the backing on this one. Make sure you line these up. And there you have it. And it's attached and ready to go, so you don't have to worry about it. If you have it in your purse, it's going to all stay attached. I really like that about it. All right, so I am going to grab a little piece of Whisper White. We're going to use some Memento Black, and we're going to stamp just the little butterfly on this one. I'm going to stamp it on the edge here, because we only need the little one. And then we're going to stamp just a little note. And I'm going to stamp that right here. And I'm using the 1 3/4 inch circle punch, and we're going to punch that out right here. And then I am going to color this one first, and I don't have Melon Mambo, so I'm going to use the Lovely lipstick. And we're just going to color this butterfly real quick. It's really quick and easy. So I'm just using the light and dark. then I'm going to use, I need the memento for the little body that goes on the butterfly. I almost forgot that. There that is. And then we're going to use our dual butterfly punch. And we're going to just punch out the little butterfly there. And of course he went flying, but I see him right here. And we're going to use, actually used one of my layered circles, and this is the scalloped one. If you have a punch, you can use that as well. It's like a 1 3/8 maybe circle punch, but just so it fits this little sentiment here, we're going to attach that. And I went ahead and did it ahead of time so I didn't have to bring the big shot up here to do it. And then we're going to use a glue dot to add our little butterfly. Right there. And you can keep it flat so it stays nice and flat in here. You can pop it up if you like. And then what I'm doing here is I would once again use either wet glue or some strong adhesive to keep that on. And we're just going to put the wet glue right there, and then we're going to attach our butterfly right here, and then it's all ready to go. Aren't those cute? It's super simple and quick and easy, and these are really, really great for craft shows and also for just giving as little gifts. I know a lot of my friends like these because they can just stick it in their purse. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later, everyone. Bye.